Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay and today we have with us the Sony YC300 Bluetooth earphone. So in this video, let's unbox and review this device. Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay and this is the Paytm Mall packaging. So I got this Sony earphones from Paytm Mall and I paid 2,379 rupees and I got a whopping cashback of 595. So the effective cost for this earphone was 1,784, which is in fact less than 1,800 bucks. So incredible deal, and you can see the very nice packaging. You have belts on the top. Let's remove this. You have a nice orange sticker, and you have another belt, so they gave you two belts. That's nice. And this is the headset box itself, and that is also tied with sellotapes and bubble plastic. Very nice. I think Amazon has been becoming worse now for packaging, and Paytm is really improving. So this is the white Spartan box, white and blue color. So this is the blue variant, that's why it's white and blue. If you've got the orange variant, it will be like white and orange. So the MRP here is 3,390. So I got basically 50% of the cost, even less than that. That's an incredible deal. So let's peel the plastic off. That satisfying plastic noise. It was very nice packaging. Let's remove this indent, and you can see there's a color coded for the removal flap. And let's remove another box. So there's nice cardboard box. Let's remove this. I think this is one of the best packaging of earphones I have had. And you have the earphones in this plastic. You also get a charging cable, which is very long. That's nice. And you also get some manuals. So that's inside the box. Let's peel the plastic by removing the sellotape. And this is the very beautiful blue earphones from Sony. So now I will use it for a while. You can see there's an NFC logo, mic. You have the Sony logo. And this is, I think, is the charging battery, and it is also labeled as Sony. So I will be back again. Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and I'm using the Sony YC300 Bluetooth earphones for more than a month now, and I am in love with these earphones. They sound really fantastic, and this is my first time using a Sony Bluetooth earphone. So one of our friend MD Sahil in our group recommended me to try Sony earphones. So I just bought it and it is really incredible. I would say it is the best in this segment. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I represent earphones with their sound quality. For example, I say that Audio Technica has an excellent treble. I say the Xiaomi has a balanced bass and treble. Then Boat has an excellent treble. So this particular Sony is like having an excellent treble from Audio Technica and adding some softening to it. So the sound is very soft. So it is best for peaceful music, devotional music, or romantic music. I listen these three music. So it's just incredible. It is very nice. The experience is really phenomenal. It is very satisfying and peaceful. But if you like bass, please don't look at these earphones. You will hate these earphones, or particular to be these low-end Sony earphones, because they lack bass. Initially when I used it, I was depressed, like there is so less bass. This is Sony, so I thought that it will have excellent bass, but it really lacked bass. Now they did this on purpose just to discriminate the price. So they have higher models. So this is the below 2,000 or 3,000. They have the models above 4,000 and up to 30,000. So just to discriminate that, they did this. And I also tried the Boats Rockers 225 Bluetooth earphones and the Mivi Thunderbeats. I didn't bought it, but my friend bought it. I just used it, and I was even depressed with their sound quality. Like I was expecting Boat to be like the king of bass. It was kind of true. The bass was better than these both, like the Sony and the Mivi, but the treble was really worst. So I didn't like the music, but the build quality was good. And my friend Pratik got it for 1,000 bucks from Myntra. Yes, the Amazon pricing of Boat Rockers 225 is around 2,000 to 2,300. I really don't recommend that at that price. He got from Myntra for just 1,049, including shipping. So that is great deal. So if you're a really tight budget, 1,049, you want two in-ear good build quality earphones, and you can try the Boat Rockers 2 to 5. If you are like, you can spend a little bit more, around 2300 or under 2000, then Sony seems to be a very good deal. Only if you like treble. If you like bass, please don't go with these earphones. And also the build quality is okay, it's mediocre. So the build quality is okay, it is plastic. Now it comes with very nice colors, orange, blue, black, and I got this blue one because I have Orange Audio Technica. But you can see that it is plastic and doesn't really feels that great. And also this is the huge humongous battery. You can see the gap in between these enclosure. This is really not expected from Sony, but they did this on purpose just to keep the pricing low and separate their high-end models. So if you just want awesome sound for the price, this is the best earphones you can get. But if you want durability, I will say go with the Mavi. They are priced really higher at 2,999. They really are not expected to price that much. It's not really that great. I think that's because of their marketing. If you see, most of the YouTubers are talking about the Mavi, they are not as good as they are talking about. Yeah, it is durable. If you want durable earphones for gym, that is highly recommended, no other option. And the sound quality is better than both, of course. So they have kind of a balanced sound, not good bass as I expected. It was okay bass, good treble, and it was durable. So if you want for something with gym, from for hard workout, that's really recommended. Go with Mevi. And if you put some YouTubers code in there, you will get discounts. So just look there, you get around 2,700. Don't spend 2,999 on it. Look for some sale and some coupon codes. So talking about the battery life on these earphones are excellent. The box claims it has 8 hours. So for the first charge, I got around 7 hours. That's excellent. But for the next charge, I even got higher for 8.5 hours. So I was on a trip in Nashik for 2 days. I just charged single once, and it was awesome. So the sound is good. The build is okay. The battery is very good. So this is a highly recommended earphones in this price segment. Now, if you see, this is the bulky battery. They have Sony on it. So this is the battery. This is the remote. So the looks kind of a weird, and this is really heavy. The overall earphones are light and they are really comfortable. This tip is really comfortable, but this is heavy, so it falls on one side of your ear. So it just stretches the one corner. You can see on the screen, basically I demonstrate that. So that's just a bummer. That's a design flaw not expected from Sony. I think they did just to reduce the price and just to disconnect their models. Overall, NFC is awesome. Just pair it once, tap on the back, and you are good to go. NFC, excellent battery, excellent sound, okay build, and this is a really good earphones. Even at price 2,300, I highly recommend this. If you want to buy at that price, you can go to shop on Amazon. If you are okay with dealing with Paytm Mall, having some risk, then you can get it for around 1,800. I got personally for around 1,800 bucks, but the problem with Paytm is they won't offer replacement. So if something wrong with the earphones, you have to go to the service center and have some hassle. If you offer from Amazon, you have a 10-day return policy. So it's up to you. You're okay with spending a little more, 2,300, go with Amazon. Or if you're really on a tight budget like me, then you can definitely buy from Paytm Mall. And I was having good experience with Paytm Mall in the first place. So if you want something for gym, just look no further than the Mevi Thunder Beats 225. They are waterproof as well. I mean, they are not waterproof, but they are sweat proof. But my friend Saneet in the group said that he was using for a gym, and due to sweat, the earphone stopped working. He got 2 times replacement. Yes, 2 times. So I'm really not sure about that company, what to say. But overall, I liked it. People are buying it. People are recommending it. So it's okay. It's a good option currently. If you're really on a tight budget, if you get the Boats Rockers 225 for around 1,000 bucks, go with it. Or if you are really on a tight budget, you're okay with a single ear, I think the Mi Bluetooth headset basic white is hands down the best bang for the buck. It was really good battery life, really good sound, really good build quality, single ear, no hassle. It's really good deal. I will leave all this in the description below. Also, a review will be in the card right here. So that's pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching. Highly recommend earphones. This is our review. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.